Tired of seeing error 1 pop up when all you want to do is drop into Fortnite with your squad? Don't smash that controller just yet, because I'm about to show you a quick fix. First, head to your PS4's main menu, the one you always see when you turn on the console. Scroll all the way to the right until you find the settings icon. It looks like a toolbox. Click on it to open the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find network and select it. This is where we'll adjust your internet connection. In the network menu, scroll down to the very bottom where you will see test internet connection. Please select the test internet connection button. Wait for the test to complete. Pay close attention to the PlayStation Network signal and internet connection results. If either of these failed, that's likely your issue. Try restarting your router and retesting. After the internet connection is successful, close Fortnite completely and then restart the game. This often clears out any lingering connection issues. That's it. You should now be able to jump back into Fortnite and start racking up those victory royales. If you still face the error, consider contacting Epic Games support for further assistance. Good luck.